Okay, you are watching this video because you are an adventurous sort with your GoPro and you like to attach it to all kinds of different things. So I too attach my GoPro to everything. Here's my RC car, which gets a GoPro attached to it, gets attached to the motorcycle, the cars, umbrellas, everything you can think of, and you will run out of them. So you want to buy additional ones, and so I got these to try them out, and they are really good. So this particular kit comes with 3 curved, 3 flat, and I like that this kit comes with the 3M pad separate from the actual attachment for the GoPro, which I kind of like because sometimes I don't use the full pad. I don't want it that stuck to something or the angle isn't right. So I really enjoy that I'm able to control that. This stuff is all very standardized, fits all the standard GoPro mounts, and it works really well. I've used it effectively. I would highly recommend it to you. It's a good 5 out of 5 for me if you want to attach your GoPro to something.